going to make a video on installing Docker on an AWS instance, more precisely a Red Hat instance. The prerequisite for this video is for you to have a Red Hat instance installed already on AWS, or you could run the same commands on an Amazon Linux instance or an Ubuntu instance. The first thing we're going to do is to connect to our instance using SSH. Now that we're connected, we're going to install something called yum utils. While that is installing, we are going to make sure that all the packages necessary for Docker to run are being installed. That's why we're installing the yum utils package. The yum utils just has a list of several libraries that the Docker engine and several other software might be using. Now that it's complete, we are going to install a bunch of other Docker packages that are necessary for Docker to run very well. That was fast. Now we are going to install the Docker engine itself. While that is running, Docker itself is a service. So once that installs, we'll have to run the service and make sure that the service is running. We'll use the systemctl command. Systemctl stands for we are going to make sure that all those packages for Docker have been installed. We will run the sudo yum list docker ce command. We just want to list anything that's called docker ce. Alright, let's give it the show duplicates option if there are any duplicates. Alright, so we have a lot of duplicates. Now let's try and start the Docker service. We haven't completed the installation yet. We still have to install one of those packages that we found. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy one of these numbers. We'll copy one of these numbers. Sudo yum install docker ce dash, and then we'll paste the number. We also have to install something called container.io and docker compose plugin. Yes. And now we will try and start our Docker again. Oh, it's systemctl, not system. I made a typo, sorry. We check the status to see if it's running. Alright, so we just successfully installed Docker and the Docker service is running. Thank you very much for watching this YouTube video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and see you at the top. Have a wonderful day.